So guys, I was just playing, playing the Xbox, and I have internet. Well, kinda. My phone. I take it out of my phone and use internet. But while I was watching the TV, I heard some noises, like voices. Uh, don't don't really know where. Well, let me stir this up first. But like I heard people talking. Like people were talking. Um, like how can I explain it without sounding fake as you guys think it is, but it's not. Um, like I have my door shut, and you'll just hear like random voices when I'm in there. Hold on, let me see something. I don't know. Like I didn't hear anything. I mean, if you guys hear anything, use headphones to hear them because like I had to use my headphones just to play my videos. So use your headphones and tell me what you hear because I don't hear anything right now. But I was just watching a show when that just happened. So I don't know. Give me your update. Give me what you think. Stop saying it's fake. Just give me something instead of fake. All right. I appreciate you guys thinking that it's fake as well, because that's not the case. I don't think it's fake. I'm not doing it. I don't do anything. I just record. I mean, why would I do something stupid like that? But like I said, just comment, see what you hear on the headphones. If you hear anything on the headphones, cause I didn't hear anything. Maybe you will. Alright. Thank you guys. Bye.